Hello guys and welcome back to Flora's Way. Today we have Mavic Mini for a fast review. Here we have a very small carrying bag of Mavic Mini. Let's open the carrying bag. We have the very small Mavic Mini. We have our controller. We have the 3 intelligent battery. I have 3 because I buy the Fly More combo. Here is a USB. And now just we are connected with our phone. We have the joystick here. Okay, and now we put our phone, mobile phone. Voila. Okay. First of all, you open the controller, and then automatically open the Fly. Just a moment. Open the Fly DJI, and now it's ready. Let's try.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.